I got a call from a customer who was midway through commissioning a new motor and drive setup. Had it for hours. The drive kept tripping under load. The motor wouldn't ramp smoothly. Their production manager was hovering over everyone because the line was already behind schedule. So, but when they rang SDS, tensions were high at the company. We tried everything to fix that they knew. Rewiring, factory resets, swapping control signals, nothing stuck. They need someone who could come in cold, see the bigger picture and get the machine running today, not tomorrow. So the request was simple on paper. Get the system stable, commissioned correctly and running at full load without replacing any hardware unless absolutely necessary. But the real task, cut through the noise, figure out the root cause fast and save them from another wasted day. So when I arrived, the first thing I noticed was that the drive was set up with default parameters. Nothing matched the motor plate or the application, so I started a full diagnostic. So firstly, I did an installation check. I checked the incoming supply, motor connections, earth bonding, everything that looked solid. So then I checked the parameters. Inside the drive I found a motor current rated was way below the actual motor's requirements, incorrect acceleration and deceleration ramps, torque limits were set too conservatively. Auto-tune was also not completed, so the control mode left in a mode unsuitable for the load. To try live testing, we powered up and ran the drive with a partial load. I could see the current spikes instantly, classic symptoms of mismatched motor data and improper ramping. So the machine wasn't wired wrong, it was just configured wrong. The problem wasn't the drive, it was the lack of an application-specific setup. So what I did was I rebuilt the parameters set from scratch, entered the correct motor data, set realistic acceleration and deceleration ramps for their load, enabled the right control mode for their application, completed a full auto-tune, raised torque limits to match their demand, optimised the protection settings as they weren't over-triggering, so then we ran it again, this time under full load. It was smooth, no trips, no spikes, no complaints from the motor or the drive or the people. The production manager actually exhaled for the first time that day. So in the end, the machine was fully operational within the hour, no parts were replaced, saving them financial costs, and downtime was cut short.